The gear case assembly consists of the gear case and all the gears, the clutch drum, the front handle, the blades, and the blade sheath. The most common problems with the Hedge Clipper occur with the blades and gearbox. Broken blades or stripped gears can take your trimmer out of service right in the middle of a job. The gear case assembly is a fast way to get your trimmer up and running again, even in the field. Then you can repair the broken unit later, back at the shop. Installing the gear case assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old gear case assembly from the engine. First, the two bolts that secure the handle to the gear case. The front two bolts are somewhat inaccessible. The gear case is in the way of them. To remove them, I'll use a small Torx driver bit and a wrench to rotate it. Once I have the screw loosened, I'll use a Torx driver that's one size too small. The screw's a number 27, this driver's a number 25. That'll allow me to install it at enough of an angle to remove the screw. And I'll remove the two screws at the rear. With the screws removed, I can remove the gear case assembly from the engine and pull the handle away from it. Now I can install the new gear case assembly back onto the engine. First I'll slide the handle onto the gear case and then align the clutch drum with the clutch. As I reinstall the screws, I'll make sure that I reattach the grounding wire. This goes to the rear screw on the carburetor side. And now the two front screws. Again, I'll start with an undersized driver and finish tightening with the driver tip and wrench. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle bolts. And now you know how to install a gear case assembly on your Hedge Clipper. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.